How chipmunk got its stripes. As we know that we have started unit number 5 and this unit is giving you the information about folk tales. Long ago the earth was covered with very thick forest. There was darkness everywhere. None of the creature living there knew what daylight looked like. One day, all of the animals of the forest gathered together. They had to make a decision. They wondered if it would be better to remain in darkness or if it would be better to also have light. Deer, chipmunk, raccoon, wolf, bear, and many other creatures climbed to the top of the highest mountain. The mountain stood so tall that there were no trees on its top, and it was covered only with rocks. Millions of stars blinked in the dark sky overhead. The biggest and most powerful animal in the forest was bear, and he was the first to reach the mountain top. Bear stood on the highest peak, looked out over the forest below, and argued for remaining in darkness. Bear said the creatures of the forest would be able to sleep better in darkness because there would be no light to keep them awake. Most of other animals were afraid to challenge bear, so they agreed with bear. Raccoon said, I don't mind the darkness because I am so smart that I can find plenty of food even in the dark. Wolf was easy to please too. She didn't mind the darkness because she could haul in darkness or in light. But one animal did stand up to bear. Chipmunk, the smallest of all the animals, argued. Chipmunk was very clever. Chipmunk argued it would be better to have both light and dark. As Bear continued to argue with for darkness, she made many good arguments for light. Slowly the night passed. Bear grew tired of talking, but Chipmunk chattered on and on, as if she had all of the energy in the world. As the other animals dropped off to sleep one by one, Chipmunk kept arguing. Finally, the first sunrise, ever seen by the animals, appeared over the top of the mountain. Radiant golden light spread across the sky. The clouds surrounding the mountain top turned a delicate pink. The animals woke up and were amazed by what saw. In unison, they uttered, "Wow, it's very beautiful. We are delighted to see this amazing world. We want light in the forest too." Chipmunk began to dance from rock to rock. Bear became angry because he didn't get his way. He roared loudly and ran after Chipmunk. He chased Chipmunk all the way down the mountain. Bear was fast and he reached out his giant paw to grab Chipmunk. Chipmunk got away, but not before managed to scratch her back with his long claws. This is how the chipmunk got stripes, and to this day you can see them on their back. It's wonderful, na?